In this video, we'll be going over the best essential oil for hemorrhoids. Geranium is one of the best essential oils for hemorrhoids. I'll be discussing why this essential oil, geranium, helps hemorrhoids and how to use it properly. Geranium is an aromatic perennial flower that has been used for therapeutic effects in Europe since the early 17th century. Today, it is being hybridized in many parts of the world. At present, the major producers of geranium oil are China, Morocco, and Egypt. And many people rely on this oil for treating numerous ailments and health conditions. Geranium oil has anti-inflammatory and antinociceptive properties, so it has been a prime choice to treat and provide relief for hemorrhoids for many of years. Most of its therapeutic capabilities can be attributed to the presence of flavonoids, terpenoids, and other oxidants. On top of this, geranium oil is also great for boosting the immune system, detoxifying the lymphatic system, and promoting blood circulation. What you'll need for your hemorrhoids is, first you'll need 6 drops of geranium oil. Then you'll need 1 tablespoon of olive oil. This essential oil remedy is pretty easy. The recommended directions are mix the 2 oils together. Second, use a cotton ball and apply the mixture to your affected area. And third, just do this 3 times a day for about a week and you should see some positive results. If you or someone you love is suffering from hemorrhoids and is serious about curing them, check out the link in the description. I cured my hemorrhoids with this all-natural system, and it will show you how to permanently treat your hemorrhoids within 48 hours and stop your pain for good. It is 100% guaranteed. Clinically researched system that is backed by 45,000 hours of nutritional expertise for treating hemorrhoids for good. This is a very powerful hemorrhoids healing system, which can help you heal your hemorrhoids naturally. Check out the link in the description. Supply may be limited and make the decision for yourself if it is the right option for you.